DG series hybrid mppt inverter. This is an inverter hybrid solar with an AC charger. Support different battery types, such as AGM, GEL, lithium batteries, etc. Built-in high-efficiency mppt transmission can reach 99% maximum charge. Support RS485 port. For Wi-Fi communication, it can add a monitor for external. Its 3 times the peak power is a strong load capacity and can be well adapted to complex homes. The available specifications are as follows: 1.5 kilowatts, 2 kilowatts, 3 kilowatts, 4 kilowatts, 5 kilowatts, 6 kilowatts.